Hello, ladies and gentlemen, RPChess here. I tried to fix my audio, so hopefully today it's going to finally sound normal. Okay, so this is another study which, quite surprised me. So normally this can be an example of how black wins an endgame. Yeah, obviously if it's their turn, I think e5 might be winning. Yeah, but I wanted to say that the king is in the center, the knight is good defender, especially it stops pawns very well, and they have extra pawns, so draw could be a good result, but actually white wins here. So they start with the move bishop to c4. So of course if you play f6, then black will just run and take this pawn, and white will lose most likely. If you capture here, then it's fight for a draw, quite easy for white, but you can always win with black. So this is the move how you can, save your option to win. So if black takes, then this position is unfortunately very unpleasant for black because they cannot jump to d6, covering e8 square. So whatever they do, the pawn is going to be promoted. So if you play this way, you see that we either take or play e8, queens, and white wins. So the best move here is king to c6. Let's try this move. But unfortunately, again, this is a kind of a problem to stop this pawn. Because this knight is attacked, and if you play king to f6, then we capture. And with this bishop here, our f7 pawn is protected, and white easily wins. So, and again, the same idea. If you play knight to d8, then e7, and white wins with promotion. So king e5 is not the best move. So we play here. White takes the pawn, because if you play this way, then it's it's dead draw, I think, with black pieces. And f6 again is not working out because black will play something and just defend easily. So white takes here, and knight to d8, attacking the pawn. And if you play, for instance, c7, then king goes to d7 and takes the pawn. So black is better. So what would you play here for white? The right move is actually bishop to b5 check. Yeah, amazing move. Just if you capture here, the same idea, e7, and we promote the pawn. And if you play king to c7, unfortunately it's check. Yeah, you cannot capture the pawn, so it's e7, and square on d7 is covered, and nothing black can do. So yeah, no king, down a pawn, king, black's king in the center, and amazing victory. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.